Hello, today's video is going to be a little bit different than I'm doing usually. We are not going to do any coding today. This video is a kickoff of my game. I'm going to start my commercial project of the game. The idea for the game is that we are going to protect with that small ship, the fighter ship. We are going to protect that running big mothership from enemies which will pop up and you will have to destroy them. I would like to make this game like a bullet hell with some roguelike mechanics when you can play over and over again to check different strategies and possibilities to pass the game. Something, that's the general idea of the game. And for this video to be educating for you, I would like just to mention the cost behind the project, the initial cost. So I divided my cost breakdown for the graphic, game feel, plugin, sound, coding, testing, and software. For now, I will show you what I have bought, but total cost for now is minus 260 euros. So I've spent almost 260 euros for the assets. And I divided my cost for the graphic. This is what I will not be doing myself. This will take too much time and effort is not worth to my graphic myself. That's my thinking behind the process. For the game film, I will use the asset, the feel, which is called feel, the funny name, but I will show you how the assets works. I have it open here just in a moment. The plugins, Node Canvas, I will use it to make AI for our game, and for the sounds I will need to buy something, so the cost will rise. For the coding, I'm planning to do everything myself. You know from my you know from my channel already that I'm capable of doing everything myself. Regarding the testing, it depends. Maybe I will try to build some community around this game, or maybe I will share some key for the game for the viewers. We will make some event, and based on that you can play and tell me where are the bugs which I haven't seen or haven't catch. Or maybe I will create the Reddit forum with the thread within my game when I will share the game, and there you can post your ideas, report bugs in my game which should be fixed, etc. I would like to build this game together with the community. That will be a really nice experience, because when you work alone on something you lose general overview, and it's always very important to have some input from other people that they will tell you that something should be done differently. So maybe I will have to remove some mechanics which I will think that are awesome, or maybe I will add some new mechanics to the game which you will think that they are awesome. So that's the process. And software, I'm thinking if I will need some third-party software for my game. For the third-party software, I mean like some planning tools. I haven't told you that about before, but actually I'm a project manager, so for me planning is like very important to add it. And then my professional life is project management in automotive industries. So that's why I'm thinking about some software to manage the project. Maybe I will just use the basic project management like Trello to guide myself to not lose the speed on the project during the creation process. Or maybe I will just point there which activities should be done. I will see it. This is just the kickoff of the project. So as I mentioned, for the assets which I'm going to use, I will have like this polygon sci-fi pack. I have bought it already. So as you can see here, it's it's very nice game look, and I think it will be very good addition to my game project, at least for a solo developer. For another pack which I have also bought, it's that sci-fi UI pack. This will be UI I will be using. If I will not like it, I will probably change it in the future. But for now, UI will be built with those graphics which I have bought from Unity Asset Store. Regarding the game feel, so how the game will look like exactly, and how this is what I mean by the feel. As you can see here, the effects are awesome here, like a jumping, etc. Yeah, you can fix easy jump, explosions, etc. It looks very awesome. So if I will manage to handle this asset, I think the game will be really, that feel of the playing of the game will be very good. And also for the for the AI creation, for the AI creation, I will use asset called Node Canvas. This asset, Node Canvas, is like when you can build trees, the logic trees. So I will build state machines for that, for our enemies, for example. This will be very useful to build all the logic of the enemies inside of Node Canvas. Of course, there are some challenges behind that because I need to figure out, for example, if I would like to create my own movement outside that Node Canvas, how to connect my classes with the Node Canvas, but definitely it should be manageable for me. And yeah, that's all. That's just the kickoff of my new project. So I hope you will participate, and if you would like to see one more thing. Nobody paid me to show you those assets. I'm just showing you those asset costs, etc., because I would like to keep that educational character of my videos, so that way you could learn how much money I'm spending and how much time I'm spending. Of course, I will track my time to show you to what effect I can achieve based on the money spent, based on the time spent, and you will also see the time frame, because since the video upload, it will mean that the project started. So I will be working since that time on my project in all my free time. I have a child, wife, and my professional work, which I have to attend to. So the project will not be fast. Definitely, the project will not go fast, but I will handle it. Maybe, I think I will spend at least a half of a year working in extra hours to make this project happen, to work. So I hope you will join my journey, and if you would like to see and do not miss another videos regarding my devlog of my game, which I'm going to start right now, please subscribe to my channel and also press the like button. Yeah, I forget to mention you, for the next step I will probably create this Reddit forum, which I just mentioned, and the Twitter, maybe some Twitter to make you some posts regarding some uploads, some updates, that maybe something new was shown or added to game, or maybe there is a new video about the game progression, etc. And for the game itself, I will start from making mechanics, just the movement of our player. Then I will go to prepare health system, some shield system. I will create base AI of our enemies, and based on that, together with the shooting mechanics, we are going to have the basic gameplay, and then I can test my game. I hope the game it will be playable, so that will not just cause me to lose 260 euros for nothing. Okay, so as I mentioned, if you would like to follow the updates on my game and the progression, and to see how game looks from the beginning to an end, please subscribe to my channel, and and to watch the next videos. So talk to you soon. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and have a nice day. Bye bye.